Each day starts at 12 o'clock a.m. and ends at 11:59 the next night. That's 24 hours, the exact time it takes for the Earth to turn itself all the way around. At any time of the day, half of the Earth is in the sun's light and it is daytime, while the other half is in shadows and it is night. You experience sunrise when the place you are on Earth spins into the sun's light. You experience sunset when you spin into the shadows.
Does that mean that I can be here in New York seeing the sunrise, while someone from another part of the world is seeing a sunset?
Yes. In Hong Kong, the sun has already set. When it is 6 a.m. for you, it is 7 p.m. in Hong Kong. The Earth is divided into 24 time zones. The time in each zone is measured by how far to the east or west they are from the Royal Observatory in Greenwich, England.
Why, at certain times of year, does the sun set later in the day?
Because the amount of sunlight that shines on each part of the Earth depends on where the Earth is on its orbit around the sun. People living in the northern hemisphere during the winter get very little sun because that part of the Earth is facing away from the sun. In the summer, the northern hemisphere gets lots of sun because it is facing the sun.